Hey YouTube, this is the vlog number 2. I hope my voice is much more louder than the first vlog because I just got a mic which I'm gonna review later on. It's called the U mic, but enough about that. So here's the MSI gs65 teardown, and in the back there's 15 screws, and one of them is hiding inside the factory seal, which is this one. Then just pry it open, pop it open, and we'll put it on the side. And on the battery, there's 3 screws actually, which I kind of messed up earlier because I thought it was only 2, but it's actually 3. And yeah, that's the middle part that I forgot. So once we remove these screws, there's gonna be wires right there, which is the red one, and there's black. That's for the audio. So we need to take that one out. If not, then you're gonna end up snapping the wires and lose audio. And here's the pin. Just wiggle it, try to move it. And let's put on the side. This side, this side, nah, this side. Alright, so we're here now, and so we had to remove all those connectors using this plastic or metal, doesn't matter, but I would prefer this plastic. Just flip it up, flip it, and just be careful not to bend it. And as you can see, my hand's kind of shaking. Yeah, this one is kind of hard, so you had to put force into it. Alright. And now after this, we had to remove the Wi-Fi driver, which is just gonna be here. This is for the audio, I'm sorry. There you go. And now we're here for the audio. I mean, for the Wi-Fi, sorry. My screwdriver is actually for the phone and not for the PC, so I'm using this spatula. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but it works. Alright, so we had to remove this wire. It's gonna go through the fans, which there's gonna be a hole right there on the top. There's gonna be a hole, that's where the wire goes. And that's the Wi-Fi driver that I just pulled out. And that's the wire. Let it hang over there, that's fine. And after this, before you do anything, there's gonna be 2 screws for the motherboard that holds it up. Oh, there's actually a plug in the back, which is for the power button. Now once we remove that one, then should be it. Oh, this is the hardest part, which is the LCD. This, a lot of YouTube that will show you that how to remove this one, which is looks so easy, but it's actually not. There's actually, you had to take out the sticky part in the back, which kind of holds the cable. And right there, that's where I struggle, and I don't want to mess it up, so right here I'm trying to remove the sticky part from the bottom, so that, there you go, so that Alright, so this is the part that it's kind of hard. Maybe easy for you, but hard for me. Sorry about the clicking noise. And so now we're removing the screws. And another screws on this side. Just be careful not to get this one stuck right here, because I have an issue with that one. Then you just flip it, and there you go. That's where your SD card, I mean M.2 card, whatever you want to call it, and your memory RAM that you can swap on it. My suggestion on this one, back up your M.2 card on the external drive. And yeah, I use this one, a Samsung 970 Pro, which is going to be more faster than the stock one. So anyway, yeah, just back up your drive first on the external hard drive. So when you put in your new M.2 card and remove this one, or clear it up, it's up to you. It's much more better because you don't have to reopen it again. Yeah, there's somebody's hammering outside. I don't know why, but yeah. And that's where I connect mine. I'm not a professional in any ways. This is actually my first time opening this laptop. That's why I have a hard time like here and there, but I got it off. And yes, that's my phone. But anyway, if I can do it, you can do it too. But like I say, take your time. Be careful with it, slowly but surely. And yeah. Any question, any comment, just leave it in the comment box below. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe for the next video. If you hate it, then just dislike it. But thanks for watching.